Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. First of all, sorry about my accent, and because I'm usually making my videos when my child is sleeping, so I'm there a bit quiet, and I will try to speak more clearly so you can all understand me. And as you can see now, I don't have my videos every Thursday because right now I have a little bit different schedule. So I think that it's actually the best if you subscribe to my channel, so then you will get notifications about every new video. And in this video, I will try to be more practical and to show you how you can make your own yogurt. And this is actually kefir, which is a much healthier version than yogurt. So, okay, I will now make just a little bit like this so you can all see what is here happening. Okay, so I will make like this. All right. And I'm doing this. I'll actually put something like this so you can all see what I'm doing. And I will explain you. But first I want to do this. And then I will let you know everything what is happening. So now you can see that my yogurt is coming down. Okay. So what I have here, these are Tibetan mushrooms, and they are not actually mushrooms, real mushrooms, but they can ferment milk. So you see they are very white, like a cauliflower. So here I have just few of them. So if you order from Amazon, if you get from your friends or somebody, you will get just this small amount. So that's why I have just a little bit of yogurt here. It's maybe 1 cup, something like that. But they can spread very, very fast. So they are growing every time. So for a couple of days, you will get so big amount of yogurt and of these Tibetan mushrooms. So this what I show you, as you can see, I'm using a wooden spoon, and this is plastic. Everything here in contact with this mushroom is plastic, because in a contact with the metal and with our hands, with our fingers, we can actually kill these Tibetan mushrooms, and they cannot produce anymore. They cannot work anymore. So we have to be careful when we are handling them, just to use plastic or wooden or glass. If you have a glass jar for your yogurt. So that is one very important thing. And down below my video in the description, I put link where you can order these Tibetan mushrooms from. If you are in United States, you can order from Amazon, and I have also links if you are ordering from Serbia. And actually, maybe you have some friends who have these mushrooms, because they are now very, very popular, since they are actually very, very healthy. So this is one very easy, very fast, and very cheap way to make your own yogurt. And because in a regular yogurt that you can find in the store, they add some chemicals, conservants that they can stay longer. So this is pure, this is clean, and especially it's healthy if you are working with raw milk. So this is a very cheap and easy way that you have some healthy drink for yourself in your house. Because these mushrooms are something like 10 or 20 bucks, something like that. And why they are so healthy? Firstly, because this is fermented milk, so it's half digested milk. So it's much easier for our intestines to digest and to absorb this, and we spend less energy to digest this kefir than milk, and they have almost the same amount of all nutritional things like vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates. And what is also very, very important with these mushrooms, because in that kefir, you have good bacteria. And they are very, very important for our intestines so that they can work well. And actually, these good bacteria, they can kill all pathogens, all germs, all bad bacteria, which can cause illnesses in our bodies. And these good bacteria, they are also stopping absorbing of toxins. And I mentioned in all my videos that we have so many toxins in our body through pollution in air, through chemicals that from fruits and vegetables that we are eating. On top of that, there are some pesticides, all that chemicals, and other chemicals in our food, which is processed. And we have toxins usually from water that we are drinking. I mean, if this is not pure water, natural water from some natural source, it consists some harmful substance, especially if you are drinking from your pipe water. So we have many toxins, and this is very good with this kefir, because it can detox our body actually and eliminate all that toxins and toxins that are producing our body during digesting food. I mentioned that in my video about fasting, how while we are digesting our food in our intestines, we always have some toxins there. So this kefir actually stop absorbing these toxins in our blood. So actually they are cleaning all mess in our body. So that's why they are very, very healthy, very, very powerful, and recommended especially for people with a cancer. And they're also very good for kids. Everybody can use them, everybody can drink them. They are very, very healthy and useful. And one more thing, why good bacteria that consist in kefir are very, very good is that because actually our intestines are very, very important, and most of illnesses are coming from our intestines. So that's why it's very important that we keep them healthy and clean. Because actually in our intestines we have one part where our immunity cells are producing. So one part of our immunity depends of our health in our intestines. And another thing is that we call intestines second brain, because they are in a very good connection, our brain and our stomach, because 95% of our brain hormones are producing actually in our stomach, in our intestines. And you can feel that, for example, if you are nervous, if you are under some pressure, under some stress, you can feel that in your stomach, in your intestines. Good example is, for example, with students, that they usually have to go in restrooms before their exam, because all that nervous thing you can actually feel in your intestines. That is because our brain and our intestines are very, very connected. And actually, we have so much neural cells in our intestines, almost like in our brain. I know that maybe it sounds weird, but this is true. This is true because our intestines are very important for our psychological health. So people who are drinking this kefir, they're more relaxed. It helps in reducing stress, because then that your connection with brain is much, much better, and there is no junk in your stomach anymore. So this kefir with these Tibetan mushrooms are not important just for your physical body. It's very important for your brain, also for your mind. It provides overall health, actually, and like I said, it's very, very easy to do that. So now, actually, I will now put my mushrooms in this plastic bowl. Okay, and I will cover with a little bit of milk. And I'm sorry, just a second, I didn't prepare my milk. Okay. So I will cover with a little bit of milk, and it's much healthier if you are using raw milk from cows or goats who are actually outside feeding with grass. So I put just a little bit of milk just to cover them. I don't know if you can see. It's a little bit of milk just to cover all my mushrooms. And actually, this is all procedure. Now you have to cover your mushrooms, and they have to be outside on room temperature. And they like dark, so you have to cover them to be in the dark. And I have here a little space so they can actually breathe. So you can keep them, and tomorrow, actually next day, you can rinse them a little bit under the water, and then you have your kefir. So this is basically all what I have to say. And if you have any questions and any comments, please, you can post that under my video, because many of you are contacting me on my private messenger or Viber or something, and you're asking me additional questions. So how to do this, how to do that. But it will be, I think, much useful if you have under the video all that comments, so other people can also see your comments and your question about this video. So if you don't understand completely what I want to explain, you can ask any question, you can comment, and this is more than welcome. And you can actually ask anything, if you have any topic that you want me to make video on that topic, or if you want me to answer on any your question or some medical issue, you can just post that under my video. So this is basically all, and I will wish you all that you can actually make this yogurt, which is, like I said, very cheap, very easy, and very healthy. And that is all. Bye for next video. Bye bye.